ಹಾಯ್ ಗೈಸ್, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಮೈ ಚಾನಲ್. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ 120 ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಪರ್ ಮಿನಿಟಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಡಿಕ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಡೈಲಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಲು ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ಎಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ವರ್ಡ್ಗಳು ನಿಮಗೆ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಅಂತಂದೇಳಿ ಅನಿಸಿದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಡೈಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬನ್ನಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಲು ಇನ್ನೂ ಕೂಡ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಒಂದು ಚಾನಲನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿರಿ. ನೀವು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳನ್ನು ಹಾಕೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನನಗೆ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನನಗೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿರಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ನೀವು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬು ಮತ್ತು ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬಂದರೆ ನನಗೆ ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನೀವು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬು ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ವೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತವೆ. ನೀವು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದರೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತವೆ. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋವನ್ನು ಟೈಮ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡದೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. 1, 2, 3 ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್. It is noted that though the names of 10 students were mentioned in the letter, only 9 of the candidates have filed this petition. One candidate, Mehdi Hassan, whose name appears at serial number 3 in the list of students of the aforesaid letter dated 18/10/2025, has chosen not to file this writ petition as he has discontinued the course as per the submission of learned counsel for the petitioners. Under these circumstances, the petitioners are aggrieved by the impugned order dated 22/1/2026 to the extent of its directing submission of list of all the illegal admitted students for the academic year 2022-23 to the Karnataka Examination Authority, and in turn the KEA must send the list of eligible students to the respondent number 1 university. As far as the direction regarding submission of list of eligible students to the university by the KEA after submission of the list of students admitted illegally for the academic year 2022-23 by the petitioner number 1 institution, there cannot be any cavil to the fact that the proper procedure regarding counseling and the aspect of eligibility is to be assessed by the KEA. It is the KEA that is vested with the powers to undertake such an exercise in accordance with the National Commission for Indian System of Medicines Minimum Standards of Undergraduate Ayurved Education Regulations 2022. Moreover, in the aforesaid letter of 18/10/2025, by which the petitioners' students were permitted to appear for the ensuing BAMS examination admitted for the year 2022-2023, it is mentioned in the letter as follows. Note: announcement of results and permitting the students to appear for the next or future examination are subject to the approval of admission of the above students on the compliance of conditions imposed in the writ petition number 18100 of 2024 by this college. Therefore, there is no dispute that the respondent number 1 university had directed that the condition imposed by this court in the aforesaid writ petition number 18100 of 2024 is required to be complied with, that is to say the eligibility of the candidates as to be duly assessed prior to granting approval of their admission by the concerned authorities. Sri N.K. Ramesh, Learned Counsel for the KEA, in his usual fairness has stated that the KEA will take a decision as to the eligibility of petitioner numbers 2 to 10, subject to the petitioner number 1 furnishing the details along with the eligibility credential of students. In view of the aforesaid, we direct that the petitioner number 1 institution shall furnish the eligibility credential along with all relevant documents to the KEA in respect of petitioner numbers 2 to 10 within a week from today, that is to say on or before the closure of office hours on 24 to 2026. Thereafter, the KEA will take a decision on the eligibility of the petitioner numbers 2 to 10 on or before 27 to 2026, and the same shall be communicated or uploaded on KEA website as per the procedure prescribed.